The oceans, expansive and teeming with life, have long served as a source of sustenance, energy, and diverse ecosystem benefits. However, as we stand on the cusp of a global population reaching 10 billion by 2050, the pressures on oceanic resources are intensifying. The imperative to meet the multifaceted demands of a burgeoning population, coupled with technological advancements, has propelled the oceans into a critical role in addressing challenges related to food security and energy supply. Yet, the escalating utilization of oceanic resources has brought about its own set of challenges. Pollution and careless utilization threaten the ecosystem services provided by the oceans. The United Nations, the first global integrated marine assessment, underscores the profound impact of human actions on ocean resources, encompassing issues such as climate change, pollution, and overfishing. In response to this critical juncture, the concept of marine spatial planning (MSP) has emerged as a strategic tool for systematically organizing human activities in ocean spaces. And today we present to you our position paper on MSP. Efforts at a global scale have materialized in the form of frameworks such as the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea and the Convention on Biological Diversity, guiding the development of MSP. To create robust MSP frameworks, nations must enhance their technological and research and development capacities. Inclusivity is key, involving public and private sector stakeholders from various domains. In the context of developing nations, MSP serves as a crucial tool in managing rapid economic growth and population pressures on ocean resources. MSP encompasses a wide range of ocean-related aspects, from traditional industries to emerging sectors, all while balancing environmental conservation. The Indian Ocean Region (IOR) calls for regional MSP, integrating MSP with the blue economy for sustainable development. Crucially, MSP plays a pivotal role in underwater domain awareness (UDA), enhancing national security and maritime safety. Recommendations in our position paper include prioritizing investments in technological capabilities and fostering stakeholder collaboration to navigate the complexities of oceanic activities. The responsibility for implementing MSP is shared, transcending borders and generations, underscoring its critical role in shaping the future of our oceans.